helping so that we will understand why people are sick. There are foods, or there are things that we have to stop eating in order to live healthier. And lezo zinto lezo angazi ukuthi kwenze kanjani uWHO wangakwenza ukuthi mandatory ukuthi zibhale ukuthi zinento ukuthi awubungazi ukuthi wena uPepcorn ufakwe into ekuthiwa Zearalenone. uPepcorn nje ubone Zearalenone it slows down your ingqondo yakho mentality. That is why ukwazi ukuhlala movie theater ubuke iTitanic for 2 hours. A conscious person will never do that. But they suppress you with caffeine from Coca-Cola and Zearalenone from Pepcorn. It allows you to watch movies. That is why emasinema into idayisa kakhulu Pepcorn ne-Coke kakhulu azibapusha leyo nto because it allows people to sit and watch that movie till it's iphele because of caffeine and the after Zearalenone. Nengane ke futhi ekhonza ku Pepcorn kuyimbangela ukuthi ibe ingenzi kahle esikoleni because Zearalenone is not made to make you bright. You rather go for ginseng if you want to be intelligent at least. Thereafter mase siba nama multivitamin. Ama multivitamin athi umuntu mina ngiziphelela nge-multivitamin nje umzimba wami ngogadile awazi ukuthi wenzani. Sikuprovile lokho ngo-1998 1996 abantu kade bene-HIV besupplementa kakhulu ngama-multivitamin to maintain i-CD4 count yabo ibe phezulu, not knowing ukuthi wonke ama-multivitamin anento esibiza ukuthi i-gut pollution. What I mean by e-gut pollution, they are not fresh. They are carrying a mycotoxic pollution. Kalondlela ke iwayini lelo lithanda ngakho linesikhunta because iwayini kuze ukuthi liqale liphuzeke ufuna ama grapes afuna aqala abole base segama ithi fermentation ufuna aqala avubeleke. Utshwala lobo phuza besintu isocam beer ine mycotoxic solution because into enzeke lapha ukuqala kwa fermenter. If it fermented, then shows that uthi ibolile. If ibolile, thereafter isine pollution ke lapho ke esibiza ukuthi ke inesikhunta. Once aba nesikhunta nje izoqala ke ake sikhulume ke le ka cheese. Cheese kahle kahle bakithi nawe phela umdala ezinye izinto ngeke uzitshelwe zonke. Cheese uphuma obisini kodwa ufika kwena uyelo. How come